Well, good morning, everyone. It's nice to be able to be back to talk to you. I hope you all had a great spring break and that you got to play outside in the warm, sunny weather. And now it is time to get back to doing a little schoolwork. So I have my cups right here. And if you see on my cups, I have dots. Now we are going to do a math activity. We're going to figure out what number of dots are on each cup, and then we're going to do some adding. So, first of all, our very top cup. How many dots do you see? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. All right. In the middle section, on the first cup, I see how many dots? 1, 2. Very good. And how about on this cup? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 5 dots here, 2 dots here, 6 dots here. Now let's go to the bottom row. On the bottom, I see 1, 2, 3 dots. On the middle one, I see 1 dot. And over here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. All right, now here's what we have to do. I want to find out on each row of cups how many dots there are all together. So, the top one we said had 5 dots. Well, it's the only one up here. So what am I going to add to 5 to see how many we have all together? None, right? There's no other cup up here. So we have to think of 5 plus 0 or 5 plus none. What would 5 plus 0 be? So if you have 5 dots and you have nothing to add to it, 5 plus 0 would be, right, it would be 5. So I'm going to put my 5 right like this because I have my paper that has my numbers on it. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Now I forgot to show you one paper that might help you out too. Is I have a paper drawn with all these numbers on it. So like 5 is the first one. The second row is 2 and 6. And the third row is 3, 1, 4, just like here. So if you think about it, I've got 5. So 5 plus nothing, we said, equals 5. There we go. So I put it on that paper too. All right. Our next row is 2 plus 6. So how much would 2 plus 6 be? So let's see. If I start out with 5, 6, and I add 2 more, how much do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is 2 plus 6? Yes, you're right. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And I'm writing it on my paper. So look, I put it on this paper. 2 plus 6 equals 8. I also put it on this one because it's the same thing. 2 and 6 equals 8. All right, now I have the bottom row yet. And on the bottom row, we have 3 plus 1 plus 4. So that's a little trickier because we have to add 3 numbers, but we can do this. Okay, so first we have 3. So I'm going to put up 3 fingers. And then we have to add 1. So 3 plus 1 equals how much? Right, it equals 4. Now I have to add 4 more. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 1 plus 4 equals 8. Very good, guys. Kiss your brains. You guys are doing so well with that. So on my paper, I wrote 3 plus 1 plus 4 equals 8. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write it on this paper that I have my blocks stacked up. All right, now here's my challenge. I am going to change my blocks around a little bit, or my cups around a little bit. I am going to put, I'm going to put 3, 2, 1, like that. 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put, wait a minute, I can't count. This should be 3, 2, 1. What was Miss Sandy thinking? 3, 2, 1. And now I have to put 4, put 4 over here, and 5 up here, and 6 on the top, because I wanted to make my blocks match this one. So I've got 6 on top, 5 and 4 in the middle, and 3, 2, 1 on the bottom. Now, my challenge to you is, I want you to figure out how much 6 plus 0 would be, how much 5 plus 4 would be, and how much 3 plus 2 plus 1 would be, and have your mommy or your daddy send it back to me on my remind. I know you guys can do this, and it's okay if you make a mistake, because we all do. But I just wanted to make this your challenge for today. So if you can, do the math. Tell me how much 6 plus 0 is. Tell me how much 5 plus 4 is. And tell me how much 3 plus 2 plus 1 is. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.